front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to choose Display Brightness and Eye Protection. Now scroll. Click on Screen Refresh Rate available here, and when you're ready, tap on one of those to apply the best one for you. Smart App Adaptation, Standard, or High. If you decided to select High, you will see this option show up, apps running at a high refresh rate. Click on it and decide which apps are allowed to use high refresh rate by clicking on the gray switcher next to the chosen one. To deny it, use the same no blue one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!